What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Grillslingers bar. I'm Liz, and today I have an awesome drink. It is a citrus rosemary spritzer. If you want to know what it tastes like, you could probably guess. Lots of citrus, lots of rosemary. If you like those things, you'll definitely like this drink. All right, let's do this. Okay, so we're gonna start with 1 ounce of our gin. Then we are going to take 3/4 ounces of our rosemary simple syrup. The recipe on how to make this simple syrup will be in the description. So now we're going to take 1/2 ounce of lemon juice. I like to do fresh squeeze because the flavor is just so much better. Then we're also going to take 1/2 ounce of our lime. All right, and then my favorite, we're going to take our rosemary. It smells so good. We're just gonna kind of punch it in there, and then we're gonna get our ice, and we're gonna shake it up. All right, so now, struggle bus. We're going to take our strainer and we are going to strain it into our glass. And then we're going to top it off with some Prosecco. Be careful when you do this. Ooh, that was nice. Okay. Then you're going to top off with some Prosecco. Okay. Then I like to throw in a piece of rosemary. And then we also got lime and lemon wheels. So just cut the other half of your lemon and then throw it in there. Ooh, that looks so good. And same with your lime. That's it. Pretty easy, only a few ingredients. Let's do my favorite part and try it. That is so good. It's bubbly, refreshing, light. It's perfect for warm weather, something for like a backyard barbecue. And one thing I love about this drink is I actually have a non-alcoholic version as well. You know, something for the kids to try, or you just want a refreshing beverage at home. That recipe will be in the description below. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, guys. If you liked this recipe, remember to like and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. Until next time, cheers.